right now.
What? Well, how did you say it? How'd you say it?
I don't know. What did I say?
What's brewing?
What's brewing?
You got a deep voice all of a sudden.
My belly is brewing because it wants this food right now.
It's time to find out
what's brewing.
Or in this case, what's cooking in the boroughs. If you're in Brooklyn on October 17th through October 20th, you're going to want to head straight to the New York City Wine and Food Festival.
Yeah, the New York City Wine and Food Festival showcases the talents of the world's most renowned wine and spirits producers, chefs, and culinary personalities, like our next guest, Chef Matthew Cutolo of Cargiulos in Coney Island. So welcome, Chef. Everything smells divine.
Yeah, happy to be here. Thank you for having me.
Cargiulos, she's young, huh? Well, yeah. Okay, who's this kid? Inquiring minds want to know. What's happening?
It's my nephew, Salvatore.
There you go.
We were making pastiera in there.
Because that's not an Italian name.
One of the Easter traditions.
Oh,
so yeah, we've been open since 1907, and my family's had it since 1965. And I'm the third generation coming up, learning the business. And that's the fourth generation right there. So it's a complete family place, you know, all about tradition and history and kind of old school mentality.
Is that the secret sauce then of your survival?
That is the secret, yeah. You know, we want people to feel at home. And there's just so many families that have been there. And, you know, those families are continuing to grow like ours. And they know Cargiulos the same way. So it's really special.
I just have visions of all the women in your family popping out kids with a clove of garlic and olive oil in there. That's how you all come into the world. You're like, ready for that?
Well, what'd you say? My skin looks so good. It's from the olive oil.
It is. He's so good.
Okay, this is the second year you're going to be participating in the festival. What can people expect?
So happy to be back. Last year was so much fun, and this year is going to be even better because it's in Brooklyn on my home turf, which I'm super excited about.
It's a home game.
It's a home game. So I will be there Thursday at Eats and Beats, and it's hosted by the legends, Dr. Dre and Snoop Dogg.
So
super excited about that, yeah. I cannot
We buried
wait.
the lead.
Yeah.
Dr. Dre and Snoop Dogg. They're going to be okay coming to Brooklyn?
They're going to be okay coming to Brooklyn.
Oh my gosh.
And they're going to be eating our homemade cannoli.
And you're making something for us today.
And we are going to make linguine alla vongole.
Oh, let's go.
All right.
For those who don't know, what is vongole?
Vongole are clams. So these are from
this business.
Yeah. They're from like southern Italy. They're all up and down the coast, but you know, this dish reminds me of Naples in Italy, where I'm from.
Okay.
So it's super special, vibrant, fresh, and flavorful.
Okay.
So if we get started, we're going to put a little bit of olive oil here in the pan. And then we're going to add some chopped garlic here.
Back to the garlic. Back to the garlic.
There's never enough garlic, right?
Never.
And then this is the stems of the parsley. Don't throw these out. There's so much flavor in them.
Really?
So I'm going to add that, and we're going to kind of infuse the oil with them.
Okay.
I'm going to use the head of the parsley later, but get that in there. Everything's going to kind of melt and come together. And then the star of the show here, we're going to add the clams. All right, so your vongole goes in just like that.
Okay.
We'll give everything a little toss around here. And then...
And that's it, no water, no nothing.
Well,
this is just,
wait. We're going to add a little bit of our Gargiulo wine.
Well, there you go. And it has to be Gargiulo wine.
That smells so
Very
good.
exciting stuff happening with this pretty soon.
Stop.
Okay.
All right, and then a little bit of red pepper to kind of give a little warmth, a little depth to it, and a little bit of cracked black pepper.
A little pop.
Little pop. And then we're going to let that go. Cover it, and in a couple minutes, about 3 to 4 minutes, the clams are going to all open up. They're going to release their juices. The wine's going to reduce down, and we're going to be left with an incredible sauce. Like
oh my goodness!
This
Can you see this?
Well.
Like
Look at
this
divine
So
creation.
we boiled the pasta, and typically what I like to do is do like 1 to 2 minutes less. Add the pasta with a little pasta water and finish it in the sauce. So everything kind of comes together. And
there's your
then
parsley.
there's the parsley. We're going to fold that in there.
Are you going to make this with some salt or anything?
So the
or
salt,
is it briny from the cockles?
The salt I kind of leave out yet. What I like to do is taste it at the end because it is briny from the clams, and you're adding a little bit of pasta water too.
Okay.
And my grandfather, he's the one that taught me how to cook. So he always said, you can add, but you can't take away. So now you kind of taste it. If the salt's good, you leave it alone. If you need a little extra, you put a little extra.
And Papa's always right.
Yeah, exactly.
I know
So should we get you a taste?
Do that. Can you
Why
do,
do you do
that
that?
and talk about your cannolis at the
Yeah,
same
of
time?
course.
All right.
So the cannolis is a secret family recipe, okay? And Mike the Bake was the pastry chef for us, a cousin of ours, for over 40 years. And he did not give a recipe to anyone but me. I'm the only one who
you?
has
Why are you so special?
the family recipes. He said,
Oh my
if you
gosh.
want to learn, you got to watch. So I made sure I stuck by his side and watched the entire time.
And what did you watch?
He used to put things in the bowl and then walk
What were those
away.
things he put in the bowl?
Yeah.
Well, I can't tell you. It's a secret. See, you're trying. You're giving it a good shot.
I am.
This is.
I have to say, this is the
This is-
best cannoli cream I've ever tasted.
Thank
None of you
you.
are going to like this. We are seeing
that's
people
right, I
on the
lied.
floor that we've never seen before, and none of you are going to like this.
See, and you
Holy
gotta
moly.
come to
This is
Cargiulos
so
to
good.
try it.
Now,
Little
I know
parsley.
better
I'm
than
a
to
mess.
get in the way of you and a bungal. This is
Here
linguine
you go.
pasta?
Linguine, yes. You could use spaghetti. Any long type
Any-
of pasta
Okay.
would do.
Of
It
course,
would
I
work
have to
well
eat
with
this in
sauce.
front of everybody.
No. We don't
Wait,
have another
here,
plate?
here we go.
Okay.
Right in front of you.
All right. Thank you. What do you think? I didn't pack a snack today, so this is great.
Well, you got Cargiulos.
Thank you. All right, quick taste.
Oh my gosh. Delicious.
Good?
I'm glad they picked you. Really, thank
Thank you so much. This
Thank
is
you.
absolutely delicious.
Thank you for having me. So happy to be here. And check out New York City Food and Wine Festival on Thursday.
And check out Cargiulos.
And
right
check out
in the heart of
Cargiulos.
Coney
And Dr.
Island.
Dre and Snoop.
I mean, unbelievable. You got one. If you want to see this one, October 17th is your best bet.
Can't wait.
This is lunch. Thank you.
Yep.